Ipsy bag. Unbox the Sephora Play box. The next is I'm gonna unbox something from Tarte. I actually purchased this. I bought this one, but of course they give me you know, discount. They send me some coupons, so it's not that much. So it's okay. Alright, let's open it. And I got a coupon in here. Maybe I'll put it down in the description if you want to order something from Tarte, and you can use the coupon code. And then yeah, I bought something from Tarte. So yes, what I got from Tarte is I got this new shape tape. No, this new face tape foundation. I think I'm gonna try to do a first impression maybe for this. Look at that. Yeah, so ayan. And then I also have to restock, but they have this one in there. So bumili ako nito. And this one is, and this one has like a little flamingo. Oh, look, ang cute-cute, oh, diba? So yeah, and it also comes with a little sponge para sa under eye mo. And then kaya ako napa-order because I got so excited and I fell in love when I saw this this makeup palette. So that's what made me wanna buy it. Kasi they have this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. Diba? Good vibes lang. So there you go. Look at that. Ang cute niya. Para siyang may wave na ganyan. Oh, diba? Magalaw siya. And there's like a turtle over there. Green turtle. Para kang nasa under the sea. Yan. And then when you open, ang laki ng mirror niya, guys. And then napaka-promising kasi ng mga shades niya. Look at the shades. Diba? Ang ganda. Can't wait to do a eyeshadow look for this palette. Kasi ang cute-cute niya, oh, diba? Ganyan. Next, I'm gonna unbox. That's heavy. Next, I'm gonna unbox is this one from Bath and Body Works. Again, I know. Haul na ako nito last time, guys. Yeah. Nandito si Mackenzie sa gilid ko, kaya alright. Nakapag-haul na ako, and then I ordered another bunch. So, wow. Ayan siya. Hindi ko na siya isa-isahin kasi ang dami. Ayun. Meron tayong mga spray, meron tayong mga pang-spray, mga lotion dito. Yan. Nagko-collect na ako, guys, para pang pasalubong itong lahat, itong mga to. Yeah. Alright. Yun lang for my Bath and Body Works. Next is, this is heavy. This is from Grove Collaborative. Ayun. Actually, they sent me an email na kung gusto ko ba daw siyang i-try. Grove hit me up, sent me an email and asked if I could try on their products. Actually, I think this is like an online ordering something. Ako, parang ano siya, para siyang online na grocery, something like that. I've never really heard anything about it. So when they sent me this, they sent me a box with full of this stuff. And actually, this is my first box. I guess they're gonna be sending para din siyang subscription box. These are full with household products. So they sent me a card from your Grove guy. Ayan. Every little thing in your home should deserve its place in your home. So yeah, so that's the card. So yeah. First in the box is I got a walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. So sponge. Ayan. And ito yung mga listahan na ng laman ng nandito sa loob. So next is the 7th generation. 7th generation disinfecting wipes. Kills 99%. So yeah, there you go. That one, makakatulong ito sa bahay dahil I always have disinfectant wipes. And then next is this one is a 16-ounce spray bottle, Grove Collaborative. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Spray bottle. There you go. That's so nice. What's this? Stoneware tray. So with a clean, simple design, this tray is perfect for keeping your sink stylish and organized. Okay. This is the one that I have, like the one I have in the bathroom. Ayun. Ayan. And then, so, pwede mong ilagay yung mga anik-anik dyan. Okay. So, next is, I got, what is this? I got this hand sanitizer gel. Ayan. Alam nyo, ang amoy, ano siya? Basil. Ooh, amoy, parang, ano pa yung amoy nito? Parang amoy lemon. Amoy lemon siya. Ang bango. And that's it. Next is, oh, meron silang Hello Activated Charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil fluoride whitening toothpaste. Wow, yan. Ay, that's nice. Never tested on ano. So this is cruelty free. And then next is Grove Cedar and Sage soap. Hindi ko siya mabubuksan. Made with organic coconut and olive oils. Ito pala yung naaamoy ko na mabango na ano, na parang may pagka mint or parang pagka yung herb na amoy. Ayan. So, nagbigay din sila ng ultra soft bath tissue. Ayun, ito yung tali nila. So, ayan. Diba ang cute? Parang ano, pang Easter. Look at that. So, that's yung tali nila. So, pwede mong ilagay yung mga products dito. So, yeah. Saan ko ba ito ilalagay? Ayun. And then, meron silang Mrs. Meyer's Day Clean Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. This one, guys, ito guys, this is what I use around the house to clean. Ang bango-bango niya. I think also you can find it in Target. They have this. And Walmart. I think Walmart has it. And then, meron din siyang ultra soft tissue. I don't know. They're probably outside. The tissues, yan. There you go. Facial tissue. It came with a box then. So, And then, next is this Method Daily Shower Naturally Derived Shower Cleaner. Yeah, this is, I heard a lot about this. No harmful chemicals on this product. I can't wait to use this one. And next is this one. Ito. Wow! Method Bathroom Cleaner. Yan. That's good. I like that one. Usually, ang ginagamit ko, guys, I've been looking for a cleaner na yung hindi masakit sa ilong. Alam nyo, guys, kasi pag ako naglilinis ako ng banyo, I use bleach. And you know, ang tapang ng bleach, 'di ba? So minsan sinusoak ko pa siya. Mag-spray ako and then I will leave it for like about maybe like 30 to an hour. 30 minutes to an hour para maano siya. Pero ang sakit sa ilong, guys. Minsan pag naglilinis ako, masakit yung ano ko. Sumasakit yung mata ko at saka yung ulo ko. So I'm sure walang harmful na chemical na nilagay nila dito. So it says it actually disinfects and sanitizes too. So ayan. And that's what it is. Next is, ang cute ng packaging nila talaga. Method Degreasing. Naturally derived cleaner, lemongrass, and citronelle. Ito naman siya is for the kitchen. Ayan. So, kitchen powers through grease, burnt out messes, and splatters. So, sa kusina, ito yung heavy duty niya na pangtanggal ng mga grease at saka mga oil na mga tumatilamsik, diba? So, yeah, I can't wait to use this one. Sunod is another Mrs. Meyer's Clean Dry, ano to? Dish soap. Mas mabango ito. Gusto ko itong peony smell. Peony scent. Meron akong ganito na ganitong cleaner. Ganitong amoy niya. Mabango siya. The next one is hand soap. Yun, dish liquid. And this one naman is hand soap. Naman is hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera. Ayan. Ang dami, guys, ha? Actually, for this, wala akong binayaran. They send it to me. Wala akong binayaran for this month, and I think next month meron na. But it's $39.99 a month. So, pero you can, if you wanna try, tapos gusto mong mag-cancel right away, you can go ahead, you can do that. So, it's up to you. Pero kung gusto nyo naman, kung magustuhan nyo naman, yeah, okay rin na. Method, ang cute naman ng detergent. Alam nyo, guys, itong ganito, maganda to siya kung, alam mo yung pag magta-travel kayo, tapos, syempre, may mga labahin kayo. So, minsan, pwede nitong dalhin, kasi maliit lang siya. Diba? Kasi, this is the laundry detergent na gentle on sensitive skin, free of dyes, and fragrances. Wow, that's good. Kasi alam nyo, guys, yung bunso ko kasi si Mackenzie, minsan allergic siya sa mga detergent soap na yung pag iibahin ko yung aming brand na ginagamit, nagpapantal-pantal siya. So, kailangan maingat ako sa mga ginagamit naming detergent soap. So, I can't wait for to use this one. Diba? And then lastly, okay, this one is a for the kids. This is the kids Fresh Monster Kids Shampoo and Body Wash. Ayun. So yun. Ayun siya, guys. So yun na lahat ang aking pag-unboxing. I'm sorry, parang nagmamadali dahil tumatakbo ang oras. But anyways, guys, since nandyan kayo at nanonood pa rin at hindi kayo na-bored, I'm gonna pick a lucky commenter below sa comment section. I'm gonna randomly pick a winner. Magpapag-giveaway ako for this video. You never know, sa lahat sa mga lahat ng mga pinakita ko, maybe mapapasa inyo yung isa doon. So yeah, at saka kasi yung mga sa subscription boxes ko, I mean, I love it, especially yung mga tiny sample size, but it accumulates. Marami na siya, so minsan hindi ko siya nagagamit, or minsan ma-expire na lang siya kasi hindi ko naman siya nagagamit. Nag-accumulate kasi siya every month akong pinapadalhan. And like the Ipsy, I've been subscribed to Ipsy for 4 years now. Magpa 5 na nga. So yeah, so lucky commenter below. Yeah, para naman maipamahagi ko naman. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my videos and for supporting. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!